How to make delicious dal in my style. Let's begin. You need half a cup of dal. Wash the dal properly to remove any impurities and pour 1.5 cup of water and bring it to a boil. You know your dal is done when it looks something like this. Look closer. I'm chopping onions finely, 1 cup of onions, 2 cloves of garlic which I will freshly and finely grate, something like this. Now in a vessel, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and add 1 teaspoon of Jeera or cumin seeds. Now we will toss in some curry leaves, add some fresh chilies and let it sizzle, and then we add garlic. Now we will add finely chopped onions and saute it till golden brown. Once the onions are sauteed golden brown and look soft, we will add in tomato puree. The tomato puree is about 1/3 cup. We let the concoction mix and cook for a little while, and then we add turmeric powder. We are adding 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. We will cook the masala for a little while to enhance the flavor. Time to add the boiled dal with its water. We are going to add an additional of 1 cup of water. After this step, you can add or minus based on your consistency preferences and mix it well all together, everything. Looking at the consistency, I will add 1 more cup of water. You don't have to. Once desired consistency is achieved, I will add 1.5 teaspoon of salt. Remember, you can always add salt, but cutting down is troublesome. Also remember, once dal cools down, it becomes really thick. So enjoy this delicious dal and let me know how it was for you. You can serve this dal with white rice or brown rice, or maybe some with fried chicken or fried potatoes, or maybe even popcorn, or maybe just onions. Whatever it is, it tastes amazing and lovely. Do try it and do let me know. Thank you.